these niggas with attitude.
Oh yeah, let's take a trip. Just sit back and light a spliff with this and don't slip on a funky dope track. Jump back, strapped with a fat Buddha sack and a 7-8 black on clean. Gangsta lean, I got green, but I serve dubs like it ain't no thing. I hang with OG players, don't set trips or you might get what we call a rat pack. I take 2 steps back and release myself to put platinum and gold on a record shelf. I lean forward to the sound of a gangsta beat so I can hear my record bumping on the Compton Street. That OGPIMP and low G and low hip hop thugs, so quick to rush you straight to the dirt. Fool, I do work.